This is a first edition guaranteed heavy pack from Jungle from loosepacks.com as part of my trade up challenge with PokePowerBoxes.com. We're going to rip this pack. As we open this, big shout out to PokePowerBoxes for reaching out to me, wanting to do some content. They're absolutely amazing. Check their website out for sure. Boy, these are looking crispy. 1, 2, 3 to the front. We've got the first edition Tauros, Butterfree, Executor. We'll be probably sending all these in to be graded regardless, because it's first edition. Cuba. Meow. Bellsprout. The Victory Bell would also be a really sweet card in the holo. The Spearow. The Eevee. Let's go. Oh, first edition Pikachu. Okay, that's not the one. Oh, let's go. The Flareon out of a Flareon pack. No way. Holo Flareon. Let's go. This looks insane. Let's go.